Hello everyone, I'm Slayer. Today I'll show you how to find hidden games on Steam. If you're ready, let's get started. First, open Steam and log in. Then click on the view in the top left and click on Hidden Games. In the window that opens, you can find all the games you have hidden under the Hidden category on the left. To unhide a game, right-click on the game from the left, move the mouse over Manage and click Remove from Hidden. To hide a game, click on Show All Collections. Find the game you want to hide on the left and right-click, move the mouse over Manage and click Hide this game. The game has been successfully hidden again. I hope you found the tutorial video on how to find hidden games on Steam helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.